निधाय हृदि विश्वेशं विधाय गुरुवंदनं बालानां सुखबोधाय क्रियते तर्कसंग्रहः शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। असिद्ध हेतु, हाउ मेनी टाइप्स आर देयर इन असिद्ध हेतु?
3 types.
What are they?
आश्रया सिद्धा, स्वरूपा सिद्धा, व्याप्यत्वा सिद्धा।
आश्रया सिद्ध हेतु इज 3 टाइप्स। आश्रया सिद्ध, स्वरूपा सिद्ध, व्याप्यत्वा सिद्ध। Based on that, siddhi asiddhi will be 3 types. आश्रया सिद्धि और आश्रय सिद्ध हेतु is there in that, then that asiddhi will be आश्रया सिद्धि. What is आश्रया सिद्धि? आश्रय itself is asiddha. What is आश्रय? Lakshana you see? पक्षता अवच्छेदक अभाववत् पक्षकत्वम्। पक्षता अवच्छेदक अभाववत् पक्षकत्वम् आश्रय सिद्धत्वम्, है ना? व्हाट इज आश्रय सिद्धि? So there where pakshata avachedaka abhava is there. Such paksha is ashraya siddhatvam. Okay. Drishtanta was gaganarvindam surabhi aravindatvat सरोजारविंदवत। गगनारविंदम, गगन में अरविंद है, तो कोई ऐसे अनुमान करेंगे, हमको लगा हाँ क्या अनुमान, व्याप्ति क्या है, तुरंत हम बताएंगे व्याप्ति। यत्र यत्र अरविंदत्वम तत्र तत्र सुरभित्वम, ये सब व्याप्ति वगैरह इसका कोई उपयोग नहीं है जब पक्ष ही सिद्ध नहीं। दूसरा कहा स्वरूपा सिद्ध है। स्वरूपा सिद्ध का लक्षण का क्या? पक्षे हेत्वभाव स्वरूपा सिद्ध। स्वरूपा सिद्धि दिया है यहाँ, पक्षे हेत्वभाव स्वरूपा सिद्धि। स्वरूपा सिद्धत्वम पक्षे हेत्वभावत्वम, ऐसे कर सकते हैं। तो जिस अनुमान में पक्ष में आपको साध्य की सिद्धि करनी है, उस पक्ष में हेतु नहीं है, साधन नहीं है, इसलिए कह दिया स्वरूपा सिद्धि। स्वरूप ही सिद्ध नहीं हो रहा है। पक्ष में अगर हेतु ही नहीं है तो आगे क्या अनुमान करोगे आप? इसमें 4 प्रकार दे दिए। आई हैव टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश, ओके। There are 4 types in this. शुद्ध, असिद्ध, भागा सिद्ध, विशेषणा सिद्ध, विशेष्या सिद्ध, चतुर्विध स्वरूपा सिद्ध। स्वरूपा सिद्ध. So first one is Shuddha Siddha, which we have already seen. Then Bhaga Siddha. Bhaga Siddha, what was the example given? उद्भूत रूपादि चतुष्टयम गुणः रूपत्वात्। उद्भूत रूपादि चतुष्टयम गुणः रूपत्वात्। In this Rupatva Hetu, and what is the Sadhya? In this Anumana,
Guna.
Gunatvam. Sadhya is Gunatvam. Paksha is Udbhuta Rupadi Chatushtayam. So, Gunatva is there, Rupa is a Guna. But in Paksha, Rupadi Chatushtayam, Rupa Rasa Gandha Sparsha, in that Rupatva is only in Rupa, not in the other one. So, Paksha, Ekadesha, Avritti is there. And therefore, Bhage Swarupa Siddhi, Bhaga Siddhi. Such things do happen in Anumanam. Okay, now question. Tritiya is Visheshana Siddha. See in Padakritya. Tritiyo Yatha Vayuhu Pratyakshaha. What is this Pratyakshaha? Is this Prama or is this Pramanam? This is Prama. Who said? Anybody else? See, I gave one holiday. You thought I will not ask questions. See? Pratyaksha is not Prama here. Pratyaksha is not Pramanam also. Pratyaksha here is Vishaya. Vayuhu Pratyaksha. Vayu is not Prama. Vayu is not Pramanam also. Vayuhu Pratyaksha means Vayu is Pratyaksha Vishaya. Pratyaksha Jnana Vishaya Pratyaksha Shabdena Upacharyate. What is Pratyaksha Prama Lakshanam?
इंद्रिय सन्निकर्ष.
Some parts are missing. Anybody else? Indriyartha Sannikarsha Jnanam. See, that is not correct. Indriyartha Sannikarsha Janya Jnanam. Sannikarsha Janya Jnanam. Jnanam that arises from Indriya Artha Sannikarsha. Artha means Vishaya. That Vishaya has to be Pratyaksha. Then only there is Sannikarsha. Indriyartha Sannikarsha Janya Jnanam Pratyaksham. This is Prama or Pramanam? This is Prama. Jnanam. Prama. But this Prama, Pratyaksha Prama, there could be Bhranti also. That is different. But here let us take it as Prama. And what is the Lakshana for Pratyaksha Pramanam?
Pratyaksha Jnana Karanam.
Pratyaksha Jnana Karanam, Pratyaksha Pramanam. Here, when it is said Vayuhu Pratyakshaha, means it is Pratyaksha Jnana Vishayaha. If you want, you write down. Otherwise, you will forget. Vayuhu Pratyaksha Jnana Vishayaha. Vayu, which is pratyaksha jnana vishaya, that Vayu, रूपवत्वे सति स्पर्शवत्वात्, प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञान विषय, रूपवत्वे सति स्पर्शवत्वात्. So this has, what is the visheshya in this hetu? What was my question? No. No. What was my question? That also you didn't grasp. My question was, what is the visheshya in this hetu?
Vayu Pratyaksha.
Arey, first you figure out what is hetu. What is hetu here?
Rupa.
रूपवत्वे सति स्पर्शवत्वा.
Rupavatve sati sparshavatvam. This whole thing is hetu. In that, what is visheshya? Sparshavatvam. Somebody says Vayu, somebody says Rupa, somebody says something. My question is totally different. Hetu first you have to understand. Rupavatve sati sparshavatvam. In that there is one visheshana bhaga, there is one visheshya. What is visheshya? Sparshavatvam. Okay. Iti atra, here you see in the next line. Rupavatva visheshanasya. Rupavatva is what? Visheshana. Visheshanasya. Vayau abhavaha tad vishishta sparshavattvasyapi. So this is Vayau rupam asti nava.
Na.
Vayau rupam nasti. Rupasya abhava. Vayau abhavaha kasya रूपवत्वस्य विशेषणस्य विशेषणाभाव प्रयुक्त विशिष्टाभाव विशेषणाभाव प्रयुक्त विशिष्टाभाव is this one. So therefore विशेषणा सिद्धि और विशेषणा सिद्धा. स्पर्शवत्यापि तथात्वेन. So here sparshavatva also, vishishta sparshavatva is also absent. Why? Because visheshana is absent. Everybody is understanding this or not? There are a lot of other people, so I hope they all are understanding. And don't say, Swamiji, I have understood, I am Brahma. All this is just, I am listening.
Swamiji, one I don't understand. Like you said, sparshavatva is visheshya, and then vishishta sparshavatva. So sparshavatva is vishishta.
No.
And
Wait. So, sparshavatva is visheshya. It is visheshya and it also has a visheshana. That which has a visheshana is called vishishta. So, sparshavatva by itself is visheshya. But if you say rupavatve sati sparshavatvam, then sparshavatva will become vishishta. It is a vishishta with a visheshana of rupavatvam. So like there is a man.
So
Man is by himself. Okay? Then he has his wife. So wife will become his visheshana.
visheshya. Visheshana.
Man is Vishesha, let us say. Wife is always special. So she is Visheshana. She will make the husband, so that person is now called married. When you say person is a single person. But if you say married person, means somebody else, something else is expected. Right? So sparshavatva is Vishesha by itself. But if you say it is a Vishishta pada, means there is another Visheshana which will make this pada Vishishta, like that. So yes, this is...
So Vayu is Paksha.
Vayu is Paksha, correct.
Sparshavatva is Visheshya.
In Hetu.
And
No, Sparshavatva
in
is Visheshya in Hetu. So the Hetu
Rupavatva is Visheshana.
in Hetu. The whole Hetu is Rupavatve Sati Sparshavatva. This is complete Hetu. Means Hetu has two parts. Visheshana part is there, Visheshya part is also there. Like if I give the Hetu, Rama is God because he has blue complexion. So blue is Visheshana, complexion is Vishesha. Blue complexion together is Hetu. Vyapti will be yatra yatra blue complexion, tatra tatra bhagavatvam. There Bhagavad Swarupa is there. Yatha Krishnam, like in Krishna. So this is just an example. Means in Hetu there are two parts like that. So
Okay, I see.
विशिष्ट रूप विशिष्ट स्पर्शवत्वस्यापि तथात्वेन तस्य स्वरूपा सिद्धत्वं निर्वहति निर्वहणम इज डन विशेषणाभावे विशिष्टस्य अपि अभावात् विशिष्ट विशेषणाभावे विशिष्टाभाव. ओके, नाउ तुरीयो यथा. तुरीय मीन्स
Fourth assistant.
चतुर्थः. तुरीयः. व्हाट इज द प्रातिपदिका?
Chatur.
हाँ,
Chatur is Pratipadika.
Chatur is Pratipadika. Very good. Then after that, how this Turiya word is formed?
Chavari gets Lopa.
Yes, Cha will get Lopa. How? There is a sutra. If you want, you just write down. Actually, there is a Vartika, not sutra. Vartika is there. Chaturaha chayatau adyakshara lopascha. Chaturaha chayatau adyakshara lopascha. This is a Vartika. This will come in this sutra. Shat kati katipaya chaturam thuk. This is the sutra. Shat kati katipaya chaturam thuk. Number is 5 to 51. This is not in Lagu Kaumudi, this is in Siddhanta Kaumudi. 5 to 51. 5, 2, 51. Shat kati katipaya chaturam thuk. In that, what is said is for Chatur pada, Chatuhu, Chatur. Pratipadika is Chatur. In that, there is Cha and Yat pratyaya. When there is Cha pratyaya and Yat pratyaya, Cha Yatau, Adyakshara lopaha. What is Adyakshara in Chatur? Cha. So Cha lopa will happen. So now you have Tur. Then there is another sutra. Ayaneyiniyaha phadha kha chagam pratyadinam. Number you write down. Sutra you can see later. 712. 712. Ayane, how it starts is this. Ayane yini yaha phadha kha chagam pratyadina. So here cha pratyay is there. In chatur, cha or yat pratyay will come. Adyakshara lopa, cha lopa, tur is there. In tur, cha is replaced by iya. Iya. So tur is there, iya will come, turiya. This is one derivation, one way of understanding. There is one more. Let me just tell you. So that other one, it will bring, this is turiya. If you want turiya, turiya also will come through this only. So instead of cha, if it is yat, then it will become turiya. Yat pratyanta will become turiya. And cha pratyanta will be turiya. So chatur plus yat pratyaya, chakar lopa, tur plus ya, turyaha, like that. Okay, so now come back to turiyaha. Turiya is what? Visheshya siddha. Chaturdha Swarupa Siddha is this. Turiyo yatha atraiva. Okay, now atraiva visheshan visheshya vaiparityena hetu. Everybody is back. Atraiva visheshan visheshya vaiparityena hetu. Visheshana visheshya vaiparityena. Now you already know what is visheshana, what is visheshya in hetu. What is visheshana? Rupavatva. Who said sparsha? Who sparsha? Hetu is rupavatve sati. What is visheshana? Rupavatva is visheshana.
Rupavatva is
Network has some problem. Rupavatva. And vishesha is sparshavatva. Vaiparityena means what was visheshana, you make it vishesha. What was vishesha, you make it visheshana. So how will it sound now? Sparshavatve sati rupavatvat. It will be rupavatve sati sparshavatvat it is given. So you change it to sparshavatve sati rupavatvat. Hetu will be sparshavatve sati rupavatvam. If you do this, then what will happen? Earlier one was Visheshana Siddha Hetu. Now this one will be Visheshya Siddha. Because in this one, Rupavatva, Rupa is not there in Vayu. So now Visheshya Asiddha. When Visheshya Bhava Prayukta, Vishishta Bhava. Earlier one was Visheshana Bhava Prayukta, Vishishta Bhava. So Vishishta Bhava will be there. Now it is because of absence of Visheshya. Visheshana Visheshya Vaiparityena Hetu. Okay. ओके, हाँ आप पढ़िए इस बाकी एक वाक्य है. देयर इज वन सेंटेंस रिमेनिंग. तस्य
तस्य तस्य स्वरूपासिद्धत्वं विशेष्यभाव प्रयुक्त विशिष्टा
भावात्
होते.
इति बोध्यम. तस्य स्वरूपासिद्धत्वम, तस्य हेतोः, तस्य मीन्स ऑफ दिस हेतु, स्वरूपासिद्धत्वम तु बोध्यम, दिस ऑल्सो है स्वरूपासिद्धि. Why it has स्वरूपासिद्धत्वम? विशेष्याभाव प्रयुक्त विशिष्टाभावात्, because it is विशिष्टाभाव prompted by विशेष अभाव, विशेष अभाव प्रयुक्त विशिष्ट अभावात् इति बोध्यम. ओके, this much is clear. So we have completed two asiddha hetu, ashraya siddhi and swarupa siddhi. Now moolam. सोपाधिको हेतुर
सोपाधिको हेतुर्
व्याप्यत्वा सिद्धः.
व्याप्यत्वा सिद्धः
सोपाधिको हेतुर्व्याप्यत्वा सिद्धः.
सोपाधिको हेतुर्व्याप्यत्वा सिद्धः.
सोपाधिक हेतु, हेतु which has upadhi, that hetu is called sopadhika hetu. This language keeps coming in grantha. Sopadhik hetu, sopadhik hetu means vyapyatva siddha. What is upadhi? साध्य व्यापकत्वे सति साधना व्यापकत्वम उपाधिः.
साधना व्यापकत्वम् उपाधिः.
This definition you have to memorize. साध्य व्यापकत्वे सति साधना व्यापकत्वम उपाधिः.
साधना व्यापकत्वम् उपाधिः.
The definition after that is given is more difficult. साध्य समानाधिकरण अत्यंताभाव अप्रतियोगी त्वम साध्य व्यापकत्वम. What is sadhya vyapakam is given. Chalo, let us read, or let's not read that, it is more confusing. Just understand what is upadhi first. Sadhya vyapakatve sati sadhana vyapakatvam. When I say sadhana vyapakatvam means it is avyapakatvam. Sadhya vyapakatve sati sadhana vyapakatvam. Sadhana means sadhana avyapakatvam. The actual word is sadhana. In English they say sadhana, sadhana. Like Bhagavan Bhashyakars, that grantha which has 40 instructions. What is it called? No, sadhana panchakam. Not sadhana panchakam. It is not sadhana panchakam. It is sadhana panchakam. You see Sanskrit name. But in English and in South, normally sadhana is sadhana. So that's why some people sadhana chatushtaya, they will say sadhana chatushtaya. It is not sadhana chatushtaya. It is sadhana chatushtaya. Sadhana panchakam. This is the main shabda. In Sanskrit definitions books you see. Sadhana vyapakatva means sadhana avyapakatva. This is upadhi. So, sadhya vyapaka. Upadhi should be sadhya vyapaka. See, upadhi has two components. Sadhya vyapakatva, sadhana avyapakatva. Sadhya vyapakatva. What will be the vyapti? When you say sadhya vyapakatva, upadhi is sadhya vyapaka. So what will be the Vyapti? Yatra yatra sadhyam tatra tatra upadhi. You write down. साध्य व्यापकत्व, उपाधि है साध्य व्यापकत्व मीन्स यत्र यत्र साध्यम तत्र तत्र उपाधि. एंड साधना व्यापकत्व मीन्स उपाधि है साधना व्यापकत्व मीन्स व्हाट?
यत्र यत्र साधनाभाव तत्र तत्र
यत्र यत्र साधना अभाव तत्र
उपाधि अभाव.
यत्र यत्र साधनम तत्र तत्र उपाधि अभाव. साधन अव्यापकत्व. यत्र यत्र साधनम तत्र तत्र उपाधि अभाव. एंड द फर्स्ट वन इज यत्र यत्र साध्यम तत्र तत्र उपाधि. In other words, if you all have finished writing, then you pay attention. Where sadhyam is, upadhi should be there. Or whatever is considered as upadhi should be there. And where sadhanam, whatever is considered as upadhi should not be there. Then it is called upadhi. So let us take the example. Ardra indhana sanyoga. You have fuel which is wet. So now the anumanam is dhumavan, vanne hai. Dhuma is sadhya, vanni is sadhana. Vanni is sadhana. Now, if you think this anumanam is not correct, what is the dosha? Hetu abhasa is there. What hetu abhas is there? Asiddha hetu is there. Which asiddha hetu is there?
व्याप्यत्व सिद्ध.
Vyapyatva siddha. Because that's what we are discussing. Vyapyatva siddhi is the dosha. Hetu is sadosha. Hetu has dosha. Dosha yukta hetu is called hetu abhasa. Hetu abhasas are 5. We are discussing asiddha hetu. In asiddha, vyapyatva siddha. Vyapyatva siddha hetu means this hetu has, this anumanam or this hetu has upadhi. This hetu is sopadhika hetu. What is the sadhya in this anumanam? Dhuma. Dhuma is the sadhya. So now for something to become upadhi, sadhya vyapakatve sati sadhana vyapakatvam. Sadhya, so I said yatra yatra sadhyam tatra tatra upadhi. So first let us see. If I consider ardra indhana sanyoga as upadhi, yatra yatra dhuma, what will be the, see I am not asking too many questions because otherwise we lose time, but you have to go through this on your own. Yatra yatra sadhyam tatra tatra upadhi. So the nature of vyapti is this. Yatra yatra dhuma tatra tatra ardra indhana sanyoga.
आर्द्र इंद्र संयोग.
So where dhuma is, ardra indhana sanyoga should be there. Is it there or not? So in this case, you say yes, there is a wood which was wet, you put a fire, smoke is coming out. So ardra indhana sanyoga is there. And sadhana avyapakatvam. What is the sadhana? Vanni. So Vanni is sadhana. For Vanni sadhana, where Vanni is, there Ardra Indhana Sanyoga Abhava you have to show. Upadhi Abhava. Sadhanam asti. Yatra yatra sadhanam tatra tatra upadhi abhava. So upadhi is avyapaka of sadhana. Sadhana avyapakatvam will come in upadhi. So where Vanni is there and Ardra Indhan Sanyoga is not there. Where will you find this? In Ayogolaka. Vanni is present, Ardra Indhana Sanyoga is not there, therefore there is no smoke. So that's why Dhumavan Vanne, this Anumanam is Dushta Anumanam. This Hetu is Sopadhika. First, this much part should be clear. Whenever they say so and so is Upadhi, I will have to apply this definition. Yatra yatra sadhyam tatra tatra upadhi. Yatra yatra sadhanam tatra tatra upadhi abhava. This much first I have to see. So that adhikarana in which sadhana is there, in that same adhikarana upadhi abhava should be there. And that adhikarana in which sadhya is there, in that adhikarana upadhi should be there. That is what they have given in the next line. We will just read. Sadhya samanadhikaranaatyanta bhava pratyogitvam.
साध्य समानाधिकरणात्यन्ता भाव प्रतियोगित्वं
Sadhya vyapakatvam.
साध्य व्यापकत्वं
साध्य समान अधिकरण अत्यंताभाव अप्रतियोगित्वम. Now this atyantabhava apratyogitvam means this phrase we have seen earlier. Atyantabhava apratyogitvam. Atyantabhava means absence. Atyantabhava apratyogitvam means absence of absence. Atyantabhava pratyogi means something whose atyantabhava is there. Atyantabhava apratyogi means whose atyantabhava is not there. So sadhya vyapakatva means wherever sadhya is there, in that adhikarana, sadhya saman adhikarana, atyantabhava pratyogitva is not there. Atyantabhava apratyogitvam is there, is called sadhya vyapaka. Means that adhikarana in which, if you take sadhetu, dhuma is there, vanni will be there. So sadhya saman, so there dhuma saman adhikarana atyanta bhava pratyogitvam agnitvam. Dhuma saman adhikarana atyanta bhava pratyogitvam agnitvam. What is agnitva? There where dhuma is there, in that same adhikarana, this fellow is going to be there. Dhuma is there, this fellow will be there. साधनवन्निष्ठात्यन्ताभाव प्रतियोगित्वं साधना व्यापकत्वं साधनवन्निष्ठात्यन्ताभाव प्रतियोगित्वं साधना व्यापकत्वं. So what is sadhana avyapakatvam or sadhana vyapakatvam? Sadhanavat nishtha. Sadhanavat nishtha means same thing. Earlier he said sadhya samanadhikarana. Now he changed that word. Sadhyavan nishtha means sadhana. Sadhanavan nishtha means sadhana samanadhikarana. Same thing he is saying. In the sadhana samana adhikarana, whose atyanta bhava pratyogitva is there, that is called sadhana avyapakatvam. So sadhana is hetu. There where hetu is, upadhi is not. Then it will become sadhana avyapaka. And there where sadhya is, upadhi is. So it will become sadhya vyapaka. So sadhya vyapakatve sati sadhana vyapakatvam. This will become upadhi lakshana. This part you thoroughly dwell on it. Use some examples, whatever you have seen before. Because once this upadhi thing is said, then as we go further, things will be easy. And now you see padakritya. Earlier padakrityas were small, 2 lines. Now padakritya is much bigger. This is the main one, they say upadhi, because we have seen only one small part, okay? There is more to this also, which we will see later. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.